10 interesting beef burgers facts.
Invention of the hamburger bun. The soft hamburger bun that we commonly associate with burgers today was popularized by Walter Anderson, whose CEO founded the White Castle fast food chain. Before that, burgers were often served on plain bread slices. Burgers in space. In 2001, a Russian cosmonaut, Yuri Usachov, took a burger with him to the International Space Station ISS. It was part of an experiment to see how the burger's ingredients would behave in a weightless environment. Record for most expensive burger. In 2011, a restaurant in London called Honky Tonk created the world's most expensive burger, priced at £1,100 over $1,400 USD at the time. The burger featured ingredients like Kobe beef, black truffles, and lobster. Burger statistics. It's estimated that Americans consume about 50 billion burgers each year. That's a lot of burgers. Big Mac Index. The Big Mac Index is a fun economic indicator created by The Economist magazine. It compares the prices of a Big Mac hamburger in various countries to gauge currency valuation and purchasing power. Largest burger chain. McDonald's is the world's largest fast food burger chain. It serves millions of burgers every day in over 100 countries. Burger King Flame Grilling. Burger King is known for flame grilling its burgers, which is a unique cooking method compared to other fast food chains that use griddles. This method imparts a distinct smoky flavor to their burgers. Burgers and cheese. According to a survey, 84% of Americans believe that cheese is an essential topping for a hamburger. World's largest burger chain non-American. While McDonald's is the largest globally in terms of international presence, Subway holds the title for the most extensive chain. Subway primarily serves submarine sandwiches but has a significant worldwide footprint. Veggie burger origins. The concept of the veggie burger dates back to ancient India, where people made patties out of vegetables, grains, and spices. These early veggie burgers were known as shami kebabs. Burgers have a rich and diverse history, and they continue to be a beloved food item worldwide, with variations to suit various tastes and dietary preferences. After you've learned these interesting facts about beef burgers, let us know in the comments. What is your favorite burger and what extras you like to go with it? Also, if you have questions about burgers, put them in the comments and we'll be happy to give you the answers.